Hi guys, thank you for tuning in to another episode today. The comments and the support I've been getting on this channel for the last 3 months is absolutely amazing. So I just want to thank you again for showing your support, hitting that like button, subscribing. It's really appreciated. So today's absolutely beautiful day. It's sunny outside and I've got one problem. This would be perfect time to be going out to do some riding, but I can't go. My little one's sleeping, he's having his nap time. I would take him out on his bike, well, not on his bike, on the bike seat that bike carrier I've got for him on my bike, but I can't because obviously he's sleeping. So what I've decided to do is take my spin bike outside and connect ZWIFT and have an amazing time outside. Still able to pedal, still able to get some cadence in, get some fresh air. It's outside in the garden. So let's take a look at my spin bike and how I set my ZWIFT up. So what I've done is I've put a WeGo cadence sensor here and a WeGo speed sensor on the wheel. So obviously they're connected wirelessly, so as I pedal they have a connection and they know the cadence that are going around and the power I'm putting through the bike. So what is ZWIFT? Well, ZWIFT runs on my iPad Pro. I just rest that on top of my handlebars on my spin cycle. So what this does is allows you to add the cadence and speed sensor via Bluetooth, which then connect to your ZWIFT, which are those two ticks there. And for a heart rate monitor, I'm using an iWatch. Now let's go into ZWIFT mode. Now ZWIFT allows you to simulate rides, and because you have a cadence and speed sensor running by Bluetooth connected to your iPad, it allows you to ride with an avatar on your screen. Save activity. Yes. Now, that's actually me pedaling in ZWIFT world. So, as fast as I go, will be as fast as the watts show in the corner just there, and how fast my avatar goes, which will allow you to have a cycling experience at home, which is brilliant. It's good, it keeps, shows you your heart rate, shows you're working out for the day, gives you your miles per hour, your incline in your feet that you ride. Now ZWIFT does run on a subscription, which isn't that much. So that's how I'm running my ZWIFT today in the garden. As again, it's a lovely day, can't get out, so it's been fun. If you guys need any help or tips on how to set up ZWIFT at home or any other cycling simulator, feel free in the comments below and I'll help you out. Take care, bye.